Udio has released two new features that you may not be aware of. I wanted to make a quick video telling you what they are and how to use them. Later in the video, I'll share a preview of a big update coming to Suno. The first feature Udio has released is the ability to edit portions of a song, which is available for paid users. Song editing also provides the ability to edit lyrics line by line. Let me show you how to use it. In your song library, find the song that you want to edit. Click the three dots on the right, hover over Edit. You'll see a Replace section and Edit Lyrics option. Clicking on either one brings you to the same place. There's this bar just below where you can cycle through the entirety of the song that you want to edit. And once you find it, there are these white vertical bars at the top, which you can go ahead and adjust or shorten or expand in order to capture the specific part of the song that you want to replace. There's a section below where you can write in your new prompt to replace the part of the song that you want to edit. When you've written in what you want to replace, click the Edit button at the top. When it comes to editing lyrics, you can click on the Edit Lyrics button and that'll switch right over. As you move the section at the top with the white cursors, you'll notice that Udio adjusts to put the lyrics that you want to change highlighted in blue. It's important to note that only lyrics highlighted in the blue area is what you can actually change. So if you notice that there is a portion of lyrics missing within the blue highlighted area, go back to the white vertical lines and then just start making your adjustments so you can expand it accordingly. And then once you're ready, you can just delete them. You can write in or add any lyrics that you want to change and then click the Edit button again at the top like the previous example. The next new feature is the ability to organize your songs in your library into folders. Back in the library section on the right-hand side, there's a new folder button. Click on it. A dialog box will pop up. Type in the name of your folder. By default, there's a checkbox to navigate directly to it. I like to uncheck this because I want to then go back and select each and every song that I want to move into the folder. And when you're ready, click the Submit button. To move a song to a folder, find the song in your library. On the left, navigate and highlight the open box. Click on it until you see the check mark. And then at the bottom, there's going to be a button, Move to Folder. Click on that and then select the folder. And then the song goes there. The only weird quirk is right now, there doesn't seem to be a way to move the song out of your folder and back into the library. Even clicking on the open box doesn't provide you the option. So just keep that in mind if you choose to go down this route and organize all of your songs into specific folders. Now let me show you a preview of what Suno is going to be releasing soon. And that is their new version 4 model, which sonically sounds like a big improvement. A common complaint from you, along with other Suno users, are the vocals just aren't as good as what's created in Udio. Let me play you a few teaser songs that Suno is sharing. Here's the first one.
You cracked a joke, then I'm a mess. You caught my eye, I caught my breath. You're the one for me. It's obvious to see. I've fallen on my knees, 'cause you're the one for me.
Sounds really good. The vocals definitely sound a lot better than they currently do now. Here's the second one.
Alright, it's not the rapper, it's the zapper. Hey, y'all right. Hey, y'all right. Hey, y'all right. Y'all right. Let me hear you say. We don't need a music style, we need our funk, our groove. Ooh wee, la vie est belle qu'un chouchou. La vie est belle qu'un chouchou. La vie est belle qu'un chouchou.
Here's another one.
I've been waiting for a lifetime, yeah. Looking forward to today. I bet you thought you'd never hear me so clearly. Welcome to my serenade.
I'm really excited about what Suno is going to be offering once they release their new version. But we'll have to wait and see what the final product is like, given that these are very choreographed and very highly produced songs. And as soon as version 4 is released, I'll go ahead and I'll start testing it, and I'll make a video to share with all of you. If you found value in this video, consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss out on more content. And if you're interested in exploring more creative AI tools, check out the videos popping up here.